I'm not sure whose story I'm telling. It could be my sister's story, the story of a beautiful, accomplished young woman who lost everything. It could be my mother's story, the story of a woman so devoted to her injured child that she grew blind to every other need. I want it to be my story, the story of how my heart was broken in childhood and how it slowly mended over the course of many years. In truth, it's the story of the three of us: mother, daughter, sister. It's also the story of the people who loved us: husbands, children, my brother, none of whom escaped collateral damage. It's about a moment when metal met metal and brain met bone. A moment that changed the lives of people who were miles away when it happened. It's about everything that happened after that moment and because of it. It's a story of love that languished and love that could not conquer all. It's a story of damage healed and of damage that can never be undone. There are no miracles here. Well, maybe some small ones. But I can't promise a happy ending. This is a story of family.